All right. I just decided I'm going to learn Turkish. And the reason is very, very simple. In the martial arts gym that I go to, which is in the same street, I go every day there. I do Jiu Jitsu and Muay Thai these days. Um, there's a new guy who's Turkish. We just signed up. I was talking to him for a while after training, and I normally talk to everyone in the gym in the language. I speak Brazilian with the coach, speak Russian to the Russians, speak Moroccan Arabic, German. There's one German dude as well, English. There's a guy from Texas. So yeah, I'm gonna start learning Turkish, and it's pretty easy to for this kind of thing. The only thing, I mean, I'm literally about to start with Turkish, but for this kind of thing, it's very easy to prepare. If you have a specific person or specific group of people in your life, in a specific situation that you see, you just have to prepare language islands. So I already have my language islands for the gym, so all the gym stuff, all the like fighting stuff. So I translate all that into Turkish, and I memorize all the vocab. I repeat the sentences out loud over and over again, and then from there I expand to other sentences. The rest of the language islands, I will learn the most common words, the vocabulary, the most common thousand-ish words, and then it's just talk to the guy a few times a week. Small talk every time I'll have more stuff I can say, and in a few weeks I'll be speaking. I mean, not well, but I'll be conversational in Turkish, and that's it. It's as simple as it is. Um, so that's what I recommend you do. If you have, as long as you're interested in the language, right? But if you have people in your life, and it, at least in the things you do regularly, if there are people in either in your hobbies or at work that speak a language, you simply can prepare language islands for all those scenarios, and then for small talk, or yeah, prepare language islands in general, and then just talk to them. Rehearse the sentences at home as much as you can, and start talking to them. And that is enough to eventually, not even eventually, it's pretty fast. It goes pretty fast. If you learn a couple hundred sentences, good ones, and you can do that in a weekend, you can have a decent conversation with anyone in the language. And you can do this with coworkers, you can do this with people you share any kind of social event or activity with, any kind of hobby. There are people everywhere that speak languages that you might be interested in. And if you really want to do that, if you just want to learn to speak and be able to talk to them in the language, you shouldn't wait until you've done 500 hours of input and all that nonsense. No, prepare the sentences, all the right sentences with a translator, rehearse them, say them aloud over and over again, and maybe even create an audio file and then binge listen to it as well until you know them by heart. It's going to be easier with by memorizing the vocabulary first, right? But yeah, you can learn all the useful sentences fast, and then just start talking to them. Start talking to them day one, and that's it. That's all you need to become conversational in a language fast, in any language fast these days. We've got the internet. Everything's on the internet. Everything that you need. And if someone tells me no, those sentences with the translator are wrong, they're grammatically wrong, blah blah blah, I don't care. I just talk to the guy. I try to talk to him with the wrong sentences, and he might correct me, maybe not. He'll be amused, and we'll have a conversation. We'll switch to English when I can't continue. Like I can't keep going with Turkish. And next time I'll try again after memorizing more sentences, and eventually I'll be conversational and then fluent. And that's it.